Good morning, dear children. In previous class, you all had learned about air which supports life. Children, like air, water also supports life. In today's class, we will learn about water and its importance and method of water purification. Children, the presence of water on earth is essential for the development and sustenance of life. It is important because water is the basis of all forms of life, and without these valuable resources, the earth would not exist. Children, do you know about 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, and water is obtained through various sources as you can see in this picture. Children, here in this slide you can see sources of water. Lakes, ponds, rivers, they are found on the Earth's surface, whereas well, tube wells are the sources of underground water. Children, rain is also one of the source of water, and the water that you get from the rain is a natural water, and this is the purest form of water. Children, but when it comes down, it might get mixed with smoke, dust, germs, and insoluble impurities that makes water impure. Now, children, let us know about the water impurities. Basically, there are three types of impurities found in water: soluble impurities, in which the substance dissolve in liquid and you cannot see it; insoluble liquids, in which the substance does not dissolve in the liquid and you can see this. And the third type of impurities are germs found in water that makes water unfit to drink. Children, in this slide you can see sugar is dissolved in water. So sugar is known as solute and it is dissolved in water, so water is known as solvent. Children, you cannot see sugar in solution, so sugar is considered as dissolved impurities. Now children, let us know how can we remove insoluble impurities from water. Children, there are three methods that we use to separate insoluble impurities, and they are sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Let us learn about them one by one. Children, this diagram shows process of sedimentation. In the first beaker you can see water containing insoluble impurities. When you leave them for some time, the insoluble impurities settled on the bottom of the beaker and you can see the clear water on the top that you can separate. Okay, this whole process is known as sedimentation. Children, in this slide you can see process of decantation. In this process we pour upper clear water without disturbing the sediments, and this whole process is known as decantation. Children, this is a method of separating insoluble impurities from a solution. When this solution is passed through filter paper, insoluble impurities retain on the filter paper and the remaining solution pass through the filter paper. Thus you can separate the impurities from the solution. Children, hope you all have understood the method of separating insoluble impurities from the water. Children, read this chapter and watch video to understand the topic. Thank you and have a good day.